Come on, phone, work with me. All right, I got a pumpkin mess here. And yes, Rick Rickenbacker. We got the Alex Wilson. Anyway, there's a lack of communication, and I thought no one wanted this for his channel. But I'm gonna throw it together, show you what I got. I couldn't get my cameras to work. I had trouble editing. It's been a nightmare, but tell me what you think. Exploding pumpkins. Well. I didn't get them all to go out at the same time. Them things are tough, dude. All right. Let me go do some editing. I left my damn other movie maker phone at work, and one of my phones just keeps cutting off because it's so old. Something's still smoking. All right, I didn't set the world on fire. Cool.